Are you facing a frustrating 404 error during a URL redirect or rewrite? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of URL issues and how to tackle them head-on. I totally get it. Nothing is more annoying than trying to access a page and being met with a 404 error. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially when you think everything is set up correctly. Let's look at the specific situation. One user recently asked, "Is this ARR warning causing my 404?" They mentioned getting a warning called Rewrite Disabled Kernel Cache while trying to redirect to tfs.domain.com. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what does this warning mean? The Rewrite Disabled Kernel Cache warning indicates that the URL rewrite module is not caching the rewritten URLs, which can lead to unexpected behavior like 404 errors. Let's break this down further. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to resolve this issue and get your redirects working smoothly. To address the user's issue, we first need to understand the ARR warning. The warning Rewrite Disabled Kernel Cache indicates that the kernel cache for URL rewriting is disabled. This can affect how requests are processed. Next, the user should check the configuration of the URL rewrite rules. The first rule, named TFS Redirect, is designed to redirect requests that do not contain TFS in the URL. This rule appears to be functioning correctly. Now let's examine the second rule, TFS Rewrite. This rule is supposed to rewrite URLs that start with TFS. If this rule is not matching correctly, it could lead to the 404 error the user is experiencing. The user should also review the failed request logs for any additional clues. Specifically, they should look for entries related to the TFS rewrite rule to see if it is being triggered as expected. Finally, if the issue persists, the user may want to consider enabling the kernel cache for URL rewriting. This can improve performance and potentially resolve the 404 error. Fun fact, did you know that the first web server was created in 1990? It was a simple program that served HTML files. Look how far we've come. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that your rules look fine, but you may need to enable the application request routing proxy forwarding feature. The warning about the disabled kernel cache indicates this might be the issue. For more detailed guidance, they recommend checking the official documentation on creating a forward proxy using application request routing. Here's a pro tip. Always test your rules after making changes. Use tools like Fiddler or browser developer tools to see how requests are being handled. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve that pesky 404 error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.